My name is Jack, and I am a Year 1 apprentice. Well, I wasn't sure what I wanted to do after A-level, and the apprenticeship at Aldi just looked really rewarding. It offered lots of exposure, lots of real-world experience instead of going to university or taking up something else. And especially with Aldi, Aldi's really good with pay, with work, flexible hours. It's just really, really good altogether. The application process was really easy, just filled out simple details. And then later on down the line, I came for an interview. The area manager was lovely, Danielle. She couldn't have been nicer. And she kind of made me feel at home straight from the off. And then it was the same day, she phoned me back, said I had the apprenticeship and I was over the moon. During my apprenticeship, I'm learning stuff about in-store, about how the shop works, about KPIs, all about the sales and stuff and how the store functions. It will be real life experience with people, with customers, with managers, with other people that you might not so expect to see. And it blends in really nicely because you'll be asked questions on your formal learning about what you've learned in store and your experiences. And I feel really supported. It's a really nice environment to work. It's really friendly. I want to progress to ASM, store manager. I want to go as far as the sky will let me. From what I'm learning now, I'll have that, 3-4 years of experience before people even come out of university. I think the apprenticeship teaches you about how to deal with real life solutions. You need to experience it. Nowhere else can do it as good as Aldi. The opportunities they have further down the line after you finish your apprenticeship, there's just so many different jobs you could look for. And I think it's just really helped me as a person develop. So I can't think of anywhere else that could have done it better for me. And it's just been really nice my first year.